Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Vlad Sarcer and I'm your mortgage broker and your loan officer. Today I want to talk about the 6 things that you shouldn't do while you're buying a house. Today we actually going to talk about the thing number 2. Number 2 is avoid getting new credit cards. No new credit cards. Get on the credit card diet. Why? Because every time you get a new credit card, you put an inquiry on your credit report. And the lender is gonna know about it and they're going to ask you to explain every new credit that you opened. Besides, if you start spending on these cards, you're gonna be changing your debt to income ratio. You're gonna acquire more debt, and that's gonna add to your overall liabilities and may interfere with your loan, because your debt to income ratio is directly proportional to how much loan you can get. So the higher your debt to income ratio, the less of a loan amount you can afford. Besides, you got to remember that every time you spend on a credit card, it also affects your credit score. So your credit score, the more you spend, the more your credit score is going to sink down. So the higher your balances on the cards, the lower your credit score is. So just remember these things. Do not go out there and start getting a whole bunch of new credit cards. Not even one. Not while you're purchasing a house. Alright guys, so if you think this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and for more information feel free to contact me. All the information is below the video. I will talk to you guys later and have a blessed day.